Hey, welcome to Baby Cook That Thang. We're making mushroom in a pasta. Mushroom in a pasta? We're making pasta in a mushroom Alfredo sauce. That's what we're making. Check it out.
Okay guys, so to make this recipe, very simple. Just take one medium-sized onion and cut it into tiny strips because I'm not a fan of wasting lots of time cooking. I'm hungry, I want to eat. As I mentioned basically in every video, so the thinner it is, the faster it cooks. Once you get those all cut up, get yourself 2 portobello mushrooms, or like I would say 15 to 20 of the little button mushrooms. And look at this quick trick here. If you don't want to rinse them in water, you can just peel off the top and save yourself some time. It comes off really easily like that. And I do that anyway because it has a lot of grime and it takes forever to get rid of. So to cut them, get rid of that disgusting inedible end of the stem. Ooh, okay, got some background noises here. And cut them as thin as you got the onions. So get those going right there. Very simple. Next, add a knob of butter to a pan and add some oil as well. Why oil? Because we're gonna fry everything in the butter, and butter has a tendency to burn quickly, so the oil helps stabilize that. So melt your butter, get it all nice and beautiful, just like that. I don't know why I said that, so creepy, beautiful. Then put in your onions, give them some salt. The salt helps move it along, extract some moisture. And while this is going for, a few 2-3 minutes is the perfect time to get your fettuccine on. Pour some boiling water in a pot. I don't know why I'm teaching you guys how to make pasta, but that's what you do. Salt the water though, that's important. People don't salt their water, so should have mentioned that. That's 250 grams of fettuccine went in there, and what's happening here is the mushrooms are going into the onions after they've had a few minutes. Now, look at this beautiful tossing action. Slow-mo. Yeah, I'm testing out the slow-mo here. Bear with me, guys, bear with me. I don't really know how to toss stuff, so I was excited about that it worked out, so I slow-mo'd that. Anyway, now that your mushrooms are dark, you see what I did there? I added 100 grams of butter. Now, a rule of thumb, by the way, about the mushrooms is the darker they are, the more flavor they have. So let those go as much as you can without burning them, of course. So once your 100 grams of butter are there, 100 grams is like 4 ounces or something, but I'll have the amounts in the description. Put in 375 milliliters of heavy cream. I'm not entirely sure this is heavy cream, but this is 15% fat, so get something in that ballpark, like 15, 18, 20, whatever, something like that. So let everything mix together, and now it's up to you how thick you want it. See, right here, this is not thick enough for me because you see how the sauce rushes to fill in those gaps left by the wooden spoon? So that's not thick enough, but here, you see that? Bam, we're just mixing it up and it's really taking its time. So that's a good viscosity, I think is the word. Now add your fettuccine in and mix it. And once you're done mixing, you're basically done. This is amazing.
Ooh, okie dokie. Are you guys seeing this? Are you seeing this? Just a smell. Hold on. Mother, wow, this is so good. Again, I usually make these videos when the baby's sleeping, which is, if he wasn't sleeping, I would be yelling like a crazy, sick in the head person. But this is so good. Oh my God, it's so good. One second. You need to make this, and you should like this video also, if you liked it. If you don't like it, don't like it. Well, dislike it, but don't do that, please. And please subscribe so you can get more videos, and click the bell. That way you can get notified whenever I upload another one of these. And if you have more stuff that you want to see or just any feedback, please leave a comment down below. Yes, this is where I comment. All right, guys, until next time, baby, cook that thing.